Hello everyone. Now we will start with the next questions. We already started with exercise 7b. I have discussed 2 or 3 questions with you. I'll go for next question. That is question number 3. Ka first from your exercise 7b. It is 4 raised to x minus 2 minus 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to what? 0. Again it's very simple bachcho. Here you can see it's minus. Here it can see it's 4 and it is 2. So I can express this 4 in terms of 2 and I can compare, isn't it? So 4 raised to x minus 2 will be as it is. See, whenever you start with the solution, you need to understand what can be maximum possibility of simplification. That's what we need to understand. I'll shift this side. This number will be shifted this side. So it will be what? 2 raised to x plus 1. Now, when it comes to comparison, the basis should be same. So 4 can be written in the form of 2. So it will be 2 raised to 2 into what? X minus 2 is equal to what? 2 raised to x plus 1. So here it is 2 raised to 4x, 2 raised to 2x minus 4 is equal to what? 2 raised to x plus 1. Now bases are same. So we can compare indices. So it will be 2x minus 4 is equal to what? X plus 1. So here it will be 2x minus x is equal to what? 5. 4 plus 1? 5. So x is equal to what? 5. I hope so you got this. So basically the concept is same again. When the bases are same, we compare indices. We'll go for next question. That is question number 4 ka second. Question number 4th ka second. Listen carefully. 4th second is 2 raised to 2x. 2 raised to what? 2x plus 2 raised to x plus 2. 2 raised to x plus 2 minus 4 into 2 raised to 3 is equal to 0. Is equal to what? 0. But you listen carefully. In this case, first of all, we need to understand the question. That what question want to convey us. That in what fashion we are supposed to go. What will be the strategy in this case. Now if you see, here it is 2 raised to 2x. So I'll write it as it is. The first maximum possibility that I can see in this question, that I can separate the indices. 2 raised to x, 2 raised to 2. That what I can do maximum, isn't it? Minus 4 into 2 raised to 3 what? 8 is equal to 0. When we simplify any question, we need to find out the maximum possibility from our side. That what can be done. Now thought process will be what? This is 2 raised to x. Okay. Is it possible to write this in terms of 2 raised to x? Yes, I can. This 2 raised to 2x will be what? 2 raised to x raised to 2. See, 2 raised to x raised to 2 is same as what? 2 raised to 2 raised to x, isn't it? It will be 2 into what? X, so it will be 2x. Even 2 into x, it will be what? 2x. So what I am trying to do is that I am expressing this in terms of 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to x into what? 4 minus 32 is equal to 0. Don't you think it seems like a quadratic equation? If let 2 raised to x is equal to what? A. 2 raised to x is equal to what? A. So here 2 raised to x is what? A. So it will be a square plus 2 raised to x is again a. So it will be 4a minus what? 32 is equal to 0. But once you solve this quadratic equation, which quadratic equation? A square plus 4a minus 32 is equal to 0. So you come across two values. A is equal to minus 8 and a is equal to 4. A is equal to minus 8 and a is equal to 4. But we all know, what you all know, that a की value क्या थी? 2 raised to x. So 2 raised to x is equal to a थी. लेकिन हमें a कितना मिला है? Minus 8. Now, is there any such a power? What I'll take 2 raised to x is equal to minus 8. 2 raised to x is equal to what? Minus 8. It is possible mathematically? No. See, if I'll take 2 raised to minus 3 is equal to, it is not minus 8. So don't get confused. If this would have been minus 2 raised to 3, then answer would have been minus 8. So practically, mathematically, this is not possible, isn't it? Now go for next. What is a? Again, a is what? 2 raised to x is equal to what? 4. So this is 2 raised to x is equal to what? 2 raised to 2. So again, bases are same. So x is equal to what? 2. So what is the value of x? X is equal to 2. We can see the bases are same. But this is not possible. Why not possible? I have told you this. 2 raised to minus 3 is not minus 8. Minus 2 raised to 3 is minus 8. But it's not like that. Okay? So this is what the question number 4th ka second. I'll go for one more application from exercise 7b again. I'll be going for some hard questions. Okay? I'll go for question number 6. Question number 6. That question number 6 is root 32 raised to x divided by its division 2 raised to y plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay? And one more is given, that is 8 raised to y minus 16 raised to 4 minus x by 2 is equal to 0. Now see the question. You have to first of all read the question carefully. These are the two equations are given. Okay? Now, how many unknowns are there? X and y. Here also x and y. Two unknowns are there. That means I need to go for two simultaneous equations. See, in case of one unknown, I need one equation. So I can find out that one unknown. But here I have two unknowns. That means I will require two equations. So I'll use the laws of indices. Now here, this 32 can be written as what? 32 raised to 1 by 2 root, isn't it? Into what? X. Can I write this divided by 2 raised to y plus 1 as it is equal to 1. Now you all know 32 is nothing but what? 2 raised to 5 into 1 by 2 into x upon what? 2 raised to y plus 1 is equal to 1. Is it okay if I shift this side, this to y plus 1? So this 2 raised to y plus 1 will be multiplied here. So it will be 2 raised to y plus 1. Isn't it? 1 into anything will be what? That anything only. Now it will be 2 raised to. It's all multiplication. It will be what? 5x upon 2. 5 into 1 into x is what? 5x upon 2 as it is equal to what? 2 raised to y plus 1. Now again bases are same. So it will be 5x upon 2 is equal to what? Y plus 1 is equal to y plus 1. अगर आप इसको simplify करोगे तो what you will get? You will get 5x will be as it is, isn't it? 5x is equal to 2y plus 2. Why 2y plus 2? You have shifted to that side. So this equation becomes 5x minus 2y is equal to 2. This is my equation number 1. This is my equation number what? 1. I hope so बच्चों आपको समझा. ठीक है? So with the help of this I got one equation. What is that equation? 5x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now it comes to this. 8 raised to y as it is. Can I shift this minus this side? Yes, I can. 16 raised to what? 4 minus x by 2. Now 8 and 16 both are possible in terms of 2. So it will be 2 raised to what? 3y. Isn't it? 2 raised to 3 is 8. And this will be 2 raised to 4 minus x by 2. So again 2 raised to 3y as it is equal to 2 raised to 4 into 4 16 minus 4 into x by 2. I also are getting this. Okay? So 2 2s are what? 4. So this will be what? 2x. Again bases are same. So I'll compare 3y is equal to 16 minus 2x. तो ये 2x इधर आ गया. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. This is my equation number what? 2. This is what equation number 2. I think you are not able to see this. I hope so यहाँ तक आपको clear है. 3y is equal to 16 minus 2x. So this equation will be what? This equation will be 2x plus 3y is equal to 16. This is my equation number 2 and this was my equation number 1. Now both the equations I will solve what? Simultaneously. Isn't it? I will be getting the values of x and y. I hope so it's very clear with you. After solving x and y, this will be the end of the question because they are asking you to find out the values of x and y. Two more applications we will speak in next video. Thank you.